Let's take a look at the eraser tool. That is the fourth tool on your toolbar. If you tap on it, it will select the eraser tool. If you push and hold on it, it will give you the option on how thick the eraser is. You can also add your eraser tool to the favorites and how you are erasing, either a whole stroke or partial stroke. So I'm going to show you how both of these look. So with the eraser I currently have selected, if I tap on a stroke, it's going to delete that entire stroke. Same for the W, O, the R. If I only wanted to delete part of the line or part of my selection, now when I erase, it's only going to erase where I am moving that eraser. And then again, you can change the thickness. So if you needed to come in and erase a smaller portion, you have more control over the thickness that you have selected. You can only erase pin markings that you've drawn on the screen. You're not going to be able to erase photos or typed text. That is your eraser tool.